we're actually changing.
What about that? Yeah, if you can explain a little bit, what's that, like beam shaping?
Yeah, so beam shaping basically is, beam shaping is not taking a finite beam at the cutting head and changing the diameter and focal point. We do that. We do that on several of our machines. We are manipulating the beam, the property that's already there, but beam shaping is changing the density and the profile of that beam. So with beam shaping, we can create different shapes for that beam. And not only can we create different shapes through an inner and outer core of the fiber, we can change the heat profile within those shapes. And with our proprietary cutting head technology that we've implemented with that, we definitely have a big advantage in cut quality with the S-Series machines. So if cut quality is important, if you're a customer and cut quality is important, that's the machine to look at.
So it looks like the systems are more simpler in a way, right? Because the beam shaping, it's been done inside of the power supply, right?
Right.
And not at such complicated head it's needed, right? It's because it's already been done at the power supply, so it's delivering whatever the customer needs to have it, so to be able to cut fast.
Exactly.
So that's basically maybe the angle to do that for that technology, right?
Yeah, definitely. That's a great point. We're taking lab environment technology, and we're putting it in the middle of a shop with the doors open, dust blowing through. We're not putting these machines in labs. So what a good thing about this technology is to be able to take a complex, cutting head and simplify it by doing all the heavy lifting, if you will, at the generator. So now once we get to the cutting head, all we're doing is changing the focal point because we've got the beam characteristics that we want before it gets there.
Sure.
So from a service standpoint, your cost of repair is going to be much less. You have less sensors, just less to go wrong with the cutting head on those machines.
Yeah, I know. I have seen with some other companies that they are like over-engineering sometimes the lasers to be able to have different kind of shapes for every kind of material. Even technologies that seem to be too complex. We know that more elements into the chain of the beam delivery means more stuff maybe to go bad. So I really like what we are doing with this kind of approach for that technology. So yeah.
Yeah, we've taken an already simple technology in fiber technology, and we've simplified that even more. So
yeah, I'm glad. I'm just glad that we did that because we are not just putting crazy vibrating mirrors, right? With some other guys. Good luck with that. But no, it's fun that I'm really glad that we are going in that direction. Of course, that helps. More simpler systems also helps on the pricing of the equipment. So it's really good.